Hello again, junior soldiers. Tonight's report is on the Salvation Army's traveling hospitals. The Salvation Army operates in 130 countries around the world, and in many of them, we're giving top-notch medical care. For more on how this work got started, let's go to Turk and Bram at our mobile command unit. Are you there, Turk?
We're here, Kat. The Salvation Army's medical missions go all the way back to World War I. We're going to take a look with the help of our Halomahalo. Ready?
Ready, Turk.
World War I started in 1914, and it was bad. More than 9 million soldiers died, and 21 million more were wounded. The biggest casualties were in Germany and France, who were on opposite sides of the fighting. General Bramwell Booth said, "War is a confession of failure, because when war comes, it's because humans have failed to keep peace with each other." And here's the thing, Salvationists lived in all of these fighting countries. So what was the army supposed to do with their own countries warring against each other? Would Salvationists begin to hate the other Salvationists? How could we bring the love of Jesus in a time of a war and violence? To answer this question, General Booth decided to put together an ambulance brigade. This brigade would operate everywhere it was needed, healing soldiers on both sides of the fighting. The ambulance brigade started out with 5 ambulances in 1914, and within a year, it had grown to a fleet of 20. The 1st Brigade even had its own little Salvation Army band on board to play music for the soldiers. General Booth said that just as under the Army's flag all nations agree, so the Army's ambulances would serve wounded soldiers on all sides, no matter what country they came from. So, pretty intense stuff, huh, Kat?
Very intense, Turk. Thanks for the report. See, junior soldiers, the Salvation Army's medical ministry came out of a time when the Army realized that the world is tricky and that while we all wear the same uniform, sometimes our countries would put on different ones. It comes from our mission to find the best way to be like Jesus and do good in a sometimes scary world. And that's our report for tonight. Thanks, junior soldiers, and stay blessed.